Got a new recipe for you. It's called the fried cauliflower. Don't knock it till you try it. See if I can do it, you can do it. Real simple, real easy. These are my ingredients that I use. It's basically ingredients that you will fry chicken with. Ingredients in the info, and you got your wet seasoning. Basically your egg wash, but I'm using ground flaxseed. It's the same as egg wash. Use a half a cup of the flaxseed and pour like 3 cups of water inside, and you're gonna let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes. Get that gelatinous. And while that's sitting, we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. We're gonna add 3 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of each season that you chose. And we're gonna go back to the red ingredient. Add your half a cup of hot sauce and your 1/4 cup of mustard, or half a cup of mustard if you like. Eyeball it. And this when you get your cauliflower, you wash it, then you cut it in the size that you want. You cut into a little bite size. You heat up your oil, any oil that you prefer. I'm using coconut oil. Then you're gonna get your cauliflower, drop into the wet base. Then after that, you drain the excess off, and then you put it in your dry ingredients. And if you're anything like me, I like mine extra crispy, so I put that thing back in the wet base. Now I put it in the dry ingredients, then I had dropped it off in the grease. See, real simple, real easy, just like you frying chicken. This is what it's gonna look like. You can play with it, add some buffalo sauce, put it in the oven, have some buffalo cauliflower. Make your kids eat vegetables. That's all I'm saying. Eyeball it.